We have come here for conducting the news reporting first of all. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कम्युनिकेशन ही एक ऐसी चीज है जो माँ कसम एकदम अगर आ गया कम्युनिकेशन हमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है, बस एक स्पीड एक कैमरा, दो ही चीज लेकर के चलना है। स्पीड, हाँ स्पीड होगा दबा करके बोलिए, जैसे जस्ट आई एम गिविंग डेमो एज वेल लाइक अगर कहना हो जैसे हिंदी में जो न्यूज रिपोर्टिंग करते हैं ना जो रिपोर्टर, उसको कम्युनिकेट करके इंग्लिश में बनाना है, तो कैसे बोलेंगे? चलिए मैं आपको एक बार डेमो बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Assalamualaikum, namaskar. This is me, Arif, shining before all of you auditorium in AR Skill Institute with cameraman Chunni Lal. Well, I have for the first headline that is coming from AR Skill Institute. Someone person has tired because of that. The master told him, if you will again call me back, then I will kill you. Now another breaking news is coming from Bihar. Tejasvi Yadav is saying, absolutely, if you will win me, and then I will winning this election, then I will provide 70,000 employment, and it could be fulfilled by Nitish Kumar. Now another breaking news that is coming from Belwa Chungi. There is an auto coming was hit down and he has died, and the car has hit down, and only because that he has fell down in the wayside, and that is why he has died. Now another breaking news that is coming from railway station. One person was walking on the railway station, and when train has came here, then suddenly he has jumped in the track. The train has hit it down, and he has only because of that he has died. Now another breaking news is coming from nearby Patona. Someone people were hanging out in Patona side. The police was asking, why are you walking here? If you will be walk here, then I will under the jail. And thank you very much for watching this. This is me, Arif, shining for all of you for AR Skill Institute with cameraman Chunni Lal. AR
मिलते हैं छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद।
मिलते हैं छोटे। अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी इतनी फ्लुएंसी नहीं है तो आप और धीरे से भी उठा सकते हैं, जैसे अस्सलामुअलैकुम, नमस्ते, नमस्कार, दिस इज मी शहनवाज। टुडे आई एम कंडक्टिंग द हेरोइन लाइव सेशन इन AR Skill Institute auditorium with cameraman Chunni Lal. Now I have for the first headline that is coming from nearby Ramjan Baba. The one person came here and he also came on our center nearby Ramjan Baba, and he told me, I would also like to study with you, sir, because you are trainer of the good in Patona Oliver. Now another breaking news that is coming from Charbagh railway station. The train was going there, and one girl was jumped from the track, and train has came and hit down, has fell down. That is why she is died. Now the breaking news is coming from nearby Udit Narayan Degree College. The two loafer was walking in the wayside, and police car they beated him. That is why he is in the jail, and every family member is tired because of that. The person was hanging out teasing the girl. That's why he's under the jail. Now another breaking news is coming from Kapurthala itself. The one coaching center was also famous in this time because he did the very hard work. The name is World Top Institute Director of Castle. Now another breaking news that is coming from nearby office. Sahil sir was saying to me, I would also like to be the English spoken person because I also have to train and I also have to learn about it. I also have to speak like you. And thank you very much. This is Sony Ari shining before all of you auditorium in AR Skill Institute with camera Chunni Lal. That's all. आपको लगता है कि हमारी न्यूज़ और धीरे उठा सकते हैं? This is me, Shahnwaz. Today I am conducting your live from the station in AR Institute auditorium with cameraman Chunni Lal. I also want to go to the job for earning a lot of money in the safety field because science trained me always. He teaches me always. That is why I am better than another student. Also want to earn a lot of money like 20,000 starting salary. If I'll go to face the interview, then I will crack any interview because I am proud of myself. And now another breaking news that is coming from family member. My family was saying, I don't have money, then I will provide money at your fee, then I will send you on the job. That is coming from Bihar. कि one person was, तो आपको अगर ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी इतनी फ्लुएंसी तो धीरे से आप लेके बस स्पीड मिलाना है और कैमरे में देखना है, बस दो चीज अगर मिल गया. We don't have to grade the people. We have to grade our actual camera out as well. Okay. So that's all. Thank you for listening carefully. Again, also to another video. Then I will provide you something else. And I would like to invite this first personality of the day, Mr. Shahnwaz. Clap your hands, clapping for the Shahnwaz. Thank you very much. वो भी कर देंगे, काट दीजिए. वो भी कर देंगे.